This tutorial will explain how you can get the HP Recovery 3 ability early in Jeanne d'Arc. On the 13th stage of the campaign, you will encounter the Troll. This enemy holds the HP Recovery skill stone, which will recover your HP at the start of every turn. Although you can find one troll in the free combat version of Bogs of Vermont, I recommend that you play through the story until you beat the 19th stage. Doing so will unlock the Paris Ramparts as a free combat level. This level has 2 ogres that also hold the HP recovery stones. Before the battle, make sure you equip the Skills Shakedown ability to Colette. If you have Rose in your party, make sure she has Skill Snatcher equipped as well. At the start of this fight, you should let the enemy come to your party on the first 2 rounds. Afterwards, try to defeat the non-ogre enemies by using transformations and Godspeed. With the other enemies out of the way, you can then focus on stealing HP recovery from the ogres. Keep in mind that the ogres may drop the skill stone when defeated as well. The amount of HP recovery stones you get is random. I managed to get as many as 4 in this stage. If you manage to get at least 4 HP recovery stones, then you will be able to bind them together in order to get HP recovery 3. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.